So, what you're trying to say is that you fell here from another world? But when you wanted to leave and go on to the next world, your path was blocked by some unknown god?
Outlanders, your journey ends here. Who are you? The sustainer of heavenly principles. The arrogation of mankind ends now.
Just like that, the god took away my brother. Some kind of seal was cast upon me, and I lost my power. So whilst we used to cross world after world, we are now trapped here. How many years ago was it? I don't know. But I intend to find out. After I awoke, I was all alone. Right up until I met you 2 months ago.
Yeah, Paimon really owes you for that. Otherwise, Paimon likely would have drowned. So Paimon will do her best to be a great guide. We should head off. Let's get going. The path ends here. Guess we'll just have to... Climbing depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover. Okay, let's take the route we planned. We're off to a statue of the seven. Which of the seven are you looking for exactly? Oh, wow! That's a statue of the seven. There are a few of these statues scattered across the land to show this among the seven gods. Paimon's not sure whether the god you're looking for... Paimon will take you to the animal god's place for... As we all know, poetry and language flow like the wind. There'll definitely be someone there who knows about your brother. At least that's what Paimon thinks. Whether the gods actually answer you is a different story. You never know unless you try. So let's hop to it. You can swim right over. Did you just... Seems all you had to do was just touch... As much as they may want it, people in this world can... Uh-huh! It's because you're... If we keep heading west from here, well, Mondstadt is the city of wind. So perhaps, because you... There are also lots of bards... Let's move then! The elements in this world were... These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven! Oh, Paimon's so jealous! Why doesn't Paimon get cool fighting powers? We must proceed with caution. Huh? Look at that!
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
Who's there?
Luckily, Paimon managed to grab hold of your... Just what was that? It definitely has something to do with it. Yeah. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shiny red... Let's go take a cloak. Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon's never seen a stone like... All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got it.
Hey, you! Stop right there!
May the Animo... I am Amber, outrider for the... You don't look like citizens of Mondstadt. Explain yourselves.
Well, we're not looking for trouble.
That's what all the troublemakers say. Doesn't sound like... And this mascot, what's the deal with it?
I mean, we've only been traveling. We've already become the very best.
So to sum it up, your traveling part... Well, look, there's been a large... It's not far from here.
Oh, aren't you out here?
I am, but not to worry. I can keep you... Besides, I'm still not sure if I can trust you two just yet. Oh, I'm sorry. I give you my apologies.
That sounded so fake.
Do you have something against the type of language you... suspicious travelers. What are you doing in Mondstadt?
She got separated from her Paimon is her travel buddy, helping her to find her brother.
Oh, looking for your family? Huh. Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
What exactly is it you need to finish doing first?
It's simple. You'll want...
A hilly churl.
Quick, get it! Bet you can't keep... These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp. Windblade! Nothing to... Though I've gotta say, you surprised me a little with thanks for the backup. How'd it feel?
Now that you mention it, how? These creatures don't seem like the type to set up camps.
Exactly. It's more normal for them. But because the dragon, Storm Terror, has been around a lot more recently, when the storms hit, we usually end up with at least a few injuries.
So these annoying creatures have been...
Exactly. That said, come with me. A responsible... Another target tracked down by Outrider Amber. Let me officially introduce travelers under the protection of the night.
Finally, no more having to camp, but the city...
Everyone's been put out of place, but everything will turn out fine.
Jean?
Acting Grand Master, with Jean on our side, surely even... Before I take you guys to the... It's a reward for...
Hey!
Because this reward is useless, but I'll treat you...
Sticky honey road!
Come with me. We'll head to the city... A wind glider. Outriders use them to ride the wind. I brought you here to give it to you, so you can...
Oh, you're really
Well, that's because the wind is the heart... Alrighty then, and it's easy to use, but you still need to pay attention. The sky... preventing your fall with the power of 1,000 winds. Now, concentrate. See yourself grasping the wind. Harness its energy.
Who said that?
Are you hurt?
You've actually got the power to go up against the dragon. Are you a new ally? Or a new storm?
Storm Terror is attacking Mondstadt itself! Kaya, Traveler, you've come—
Hold on, Amber. Are you perhaps—
Oh, right. This is Kaya. These two are travelers from afar.
from afar? Is that—
Long story.
I see. Welcome to Mondstadt. I understand. I'm not really sure what— but everyone has their secret. Relax. First and foremost, on behalf of the Knights of Favon, your fight to defend the city, the acting Grand Master of the Knights of—
This seems to be the Knights of Favonius headquarters. Let's head in.
Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must—
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
Jean, I brought them. And once it was over, I brought them—
Mondstadt welcomes you, Windborn travelers. I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident librarian.
Oh, you're both— Sadly, the time storm terror has caused quite— Simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere and ley line. For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one elemental—
If it weren't for this interference, we simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your brother.
Paimon will help too.
Good. In that—
With storm terror now directly attacked, Lisa has revealed the sources of storm—
Is that so?
They're located in the abandoned— Storm terror's ability to—
Our objective is to deal with 3 of— I trust everyone understands.
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius, the storm is rampant. All right, we need to take initiative and act.
From now on, the adventure.
This is it. One of the desert— These temples have been— There's a chance there's a monster— Even Storm Terror has given up. Yes. I also find—
Huh?
Wait! Wait! Did the wind here? Let's go in and take a look. Everyone in Mondstadt is every second we wait. You can use that console to open the door. Wow, I can see so far into the temple. Get him! Oh no! A horde! The fighting must have got them riled up. Well, good thing I've prepared my secret weapon, explosive puppet berry bunny. Are those explosive barrels over there? Well, one shot should be able to blow them up. Let it rain. Prepare to be blown away. Dragon's breath! Is that where the power's coming from? Phew, but at least this way we've helped. In the past, we were at least able... This, of course, is... But now with Storm Terror, the winds change. So too should our tactic. It's what Lisa... Speaking of which, if you want to learn more about our history... I'm not saying I mean... Bet you can't keep up with me!
You've come closer. Can you smell that? Something must have happened in the... I imagine there will be slimes. Oh yes. It is going to be as bustling as... It's a pity that... Let's head in. No one makes off. We need to clear out the temples. Let me show you how the Knights of... What's the hurry? If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait, how do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this for others. Cool it! Traveler, unless I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence. Ah, finally, we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up.
Water! We can use this to put out fire.
Good idea. That's some keen observation. We should get Jean to give you a title and make you a knight. Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the 4 winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
Seems probable. Bravo! You are, to my surprise. The battles you just fought were sights to behold. Stories of your heroic deeds, please do visit me at our headquarters. I also know a lovely... Quite rewarding, no?
We've seized another temple from Storm Terror's grasp.
I can take care of the rest here. You go take care of other things while I'm at it.
See you later then, bye-bye.
There's no way hilly turtles organized an ambush like this themselves. Not with their limited mental capacity. Thus you were behind this.
Knights of Favonius, always so inefficient.
Agree to disagree, but your involvement in this just made things a whole lot more interesting.
Hey, cutie, you're going to help me. Don't hesitate to come to me if you need good quest, basically.
So...
I guess I could give the... I knew it. There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, let's ride this wind current, shall we? Leave it to me.
Freeze! Ha! Ha!
It's an electro monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. back, sweeties. You're in for a little shock. Blitz.
Yeah!
Dodge this!
Come a little closer. You've been a naughty boy. When it comes to wet enemies, I've got them covered. Oh, another wind current. Let's ride it up from here. You've been a naughty boy.
No one escapes my sight!
Don't get frostbite! Freeze! Dodge this!
Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents. The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking than love at first sight. Oh, you want to know about this gem? You're kidding. You're seriously asking? This is a vision. It's used by the Chosen to draw on elemental powers. In terms of mysticism, I suppose you could call it a magical lightning rod. What? You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly churl with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, hilly churls aren't exactly known for their smarts. And you'd more...
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things.
Break it, and we can head home and relax.
Let's head back to the
Dragon of the East. They are the four winds of the Dragon of the East, though most in Mondstadt seem to have forgotten that in all this. So now because it has been consuming itself from because of
Hatred?
Hatred.
But what? Hate this?
As a child, here.
Well, you should come with me. Paimon will tell you. It's fun. Well, all that wanna go back and... But if you got it... By the way, we might come...